Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this clip, we are going to learn or understand two use cases where they used Salesforce Sales Cloud and Salesforce Service Cloud in their business and its impact and results. Certainly, here are two stories of organizations that have successfully implemented Salesforce Sales Cloud and Service Cloud to enhance their business operations. 1. T-Mobile. T-Mobile, one of the major telecommunications companies in the United States, adopted Salesforce Sales Cloud and Service Cloud to transform its customer relationship management and support processes. Sales Cloud implementation. The problem: T-Mobile needed a unified platform to manage its sales leads, opportunities, and customer interactions efficiently. The Salesforce solution: T-Mobile implemented Salesforce Sales Cloud to centralize customer data and streamline the sales process. Results: sales representatives gained a comprehensive view of customer interactions, enabling them to personalize sales efforts and track opportunities more effectively. The company saw an increase in sales efficiency and revenue. Service Cloud implementation. The problem: T-Mobile sought to enhance its customer support and service capabilities. The Salesforce solution: they implemented Salesforce Service Cloud to manage customer inquiries, cases, and support requests more effectively. Results: T-Mobile improved its customer support operations by providing quicker and more accurate responses to customer inquiries. Service agents had access to a knowledge base to assist customers, resulting in higher customer satisfaction. Before we move on, do not forget to subscribe the channel. 2. Fitbit ***. Fitbit, a well-known fitness technology company, used Salesforce Sales Cloud and Service Cloud to support its global sales and customer service efforts. Sales Cloud implementation. The problem: Fitbit needed a robust CRM solution to manage its sales leads and opportunities across various regions. The Salesforce solution: Fitbit implemented Salesforce Sales Cloud to centralize customer data, track sales activities, and optimize the sales pipeline. Results: the company improved its sales processes, increased sales efficiency, and gained better insights into its global customer base. Salesforce Sales Cloud helped Fitbit expand its market reach. Service Cloud implementation. The problem: Fitbit wanted to provide exceptional customer support to its users worldwide. The Salesforce solution: they implemented Salesforce Service Cloud to manage customer inquiries, troubleshoot issues, and provide timely support. Results: Fitbit enhanced its customer service capabilities by offering multi-channel support, including email, chat, and phone. This led to improved customer satisfaction and quicker issue resolution. These stories demonstrate how T-Mobile and Fitbit leveraged Salesforce Sales Cloud and Service Cloud to streamline their sales and customer support processes. By centralizing data, optimizing workflows, and enhancing customer interactions, these organizations achieved significant improvements in sales efficiency, revenue growth, and customer satisfaction. Salesforce's Sales Cloud and Service Cloud have proven to be valuable tools for businesses across various industries to drive success in both sales and customer service operations. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.